Hi guys, and I have a real special house for you today. This is an 1848 Gothic Revival, 342 Granville Street, sitting on 4 acres of land, and this is pretty much the coolest house I've ever been in. Now, walking into this house, you have a huge entryway that provides access to all the main rooms. You have beautiful hardwood floors, little details abound. I mean, pretty much everywhere. You have beautiful pocket doors, fireplaces in almost every room, and of course, those Gothic Revival windows. And by the way, the door's like 4 inches thick, for security and stuff. We have some more pocket doors there and 11-foot ceilings. So you have amazing volume. And again, look at these Gothic Revival windows. In that little nook there on the floor, there is crazy detail on the wood as well. You have original shutters too. That's how we used to block out the light back in the day. So pretty interesting. Moving on, we have a library because, of course, if you have a grand house like this, you have to have a library. The library is really beautiful, copper ceiling, some leaded glass windows, some little details everywhere. You could literally be in this house all day and find little details here and there that will just blow your mind. Like this room. I don't know. This is pretty much the nicest dining room in all of Ohio. Well, at least the nicest one I've seen. And it has a beautiful fireplace here. And it has a little inlay above in the center with a dragon, because apparently the dragon was something very important to the original owners of this house, maybe part of their family crest. Now, from this beautiful dining room, we walk through a little butler's pantry here. And then we get to our kitchen. Kitchen's not period specific, but it is very nice and functional. You could easily update this and make it period specific if you like. Oh, by the way, there is a staircase, up to the servants' quarters, because you might need tacos in the middle of the night, and we need to make sure they can get to the kitchen very quickly. Here is just probably a huge pantry, and they're using it as a laundry room. And obviously, you can put an extra refrigerator back there as well. Cabinets are great. They're maple. Appliances are new. It's really a very functional kitchen, but it's nice because you can really bring it back to a period-specific kitchen, not feel guilty about it, which I like that. We have a little powder room here right off. Our kitchen also has access to a little courtyard outside. Now, moving on upstairs, you're going to see just beautiful details everywhere. The staircases. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if you can even replicate that today. And then we look all the way down the entry, and you'll see the leaded glass window around the main front door. And then I have a special treat for you guys here. Check this out. This is the type of little details, if you look long enough, you will find everywhere. It's a little crest with kitties. I mean, who doesn't love kitties? I think they're kitties. I don't know. It looks really, really, really beautiful. And then just the intricate work everywhere. Now, going upstairs to the landing, you'll notice that we have some more storage, a little window there. You can cozy up with a book. And then we have our bathroom that services all these bedrooms up here. It is a full bath with a standing shower. It does have original tile on the floor, as well as an original toilet that would have been specific to the time that bathroom was installed. All of the bedrooms upstairs are very large. They all have wood floors underneath these carpets, and that's the coolest little Art Deco fireplace insert I've ever seen. And this little room right here is a changing room that was attached to what I would assume would have been the primary bedroom. So really nice. They have a lot of these in these older homes. Now across the hall, we have another very large room. All the rooms are large, and some of them even have walk-in closets, which you would have never guessed for a house that was made in 1848. Every one of these bedrooms has fireplaces. None of the fireplaces are functional to my knowledge, but they all are very, very beautiful and intact with inserts. And then this is our servants' quarters. And you'll notice the staircase back down to the kitchen, of course. And then we have very nice large room here with the full ensuite. And then there's another room and another room. So you could actually make this maybe like your teen suite. You have a couple teens, throw them on this wing of the house, because you can, because the house has wings and stuff. This is undoubtedly the coolest house ever. If you love this property as much as I do, and you currently do not have a real estate agent, please reach out to my buddy Zach Linder with Coldwell Banker, and he would love to show you this property. If you already have a real estate agent, please reach out directly to the listing agent on this property, Hugh Price with Howard Handa. Thank you again. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you guys soon.